afternoon to the students. On behalf of St. Regis administrative team, I would like to welcome you all to our today's event, it's UBC Workshop.